Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are going to be installing the gas tank. I have this nice skid plate here. I bought these straps because the ones I actually had to cut because the nuts were weld rusted on. I couldn't even get them off. So got some new straps. Note that if you buy these off Amazon or wherever you buy them, they might not come with nuts. I had to get some for mine. I believe they're a 1/4 inch. Either way, we're gonna get this gas tank installed today. I also bought some hardware that actually for 1, 2, 7 for the 7 bolts that hold this skid plate up. I'm probably gonna leave these 2 that are already in the Jeep. I do need to replace this one because it broke when I was taking the original skid plate out, which is why I wanted to buy them in the first place. And then we'll replace all the 4, but we'll probably leave these because I can't really access them easily. So we're gonna get the gas tank in. It's got, I think, like 8 gallons in it. It's like a half tank. So it shouldn't be too bad. We'll put it on a jack and lift it up there. I'm gonna see, I doubt there's a torque setting, but I'm gonna use a washer and a lock washer with this, and we'll get the gas tank mounted into the skid plate, and then we'll lift it up there and get it installed. It should be super quick. Connect all the lines, and then the actual cable or electrical connection for the fuel pump, and we'll be good to go. So let's get started.
All right, so here's that bolt that we're gonna replace that broke off. And then these are the 2 that I'm gonna keep in place just because I don't think I can reach it. So hopefully I'll be able to get to this one. And then we will, hopefully this will focus. We'll replace this one, this one, this one, and this bolt as well.
You are reinstalling the gas tank. You want to shift the gas tank to the passenger side of the vehicle so you can get the fill hose up above the frame, in through the body, just so it's out of the way, and then you can slide the tank over and then raise it up into place.
So we have officially installed the gas tank. All those bolts up there, I'm gonna make sure those are tight. We're gonna I'm pretty sure there's a torque setting, so we'll torque all 4 or all 7 of these bolts and get the fill in place, and then we will be done. So we're gonna go ahead and connect these 2 and then the actual fuel line, and then we will be done.
The mosquitoes are out. We got the gas tank in. So the actual skid plate, those are the torque on those nuts are 141 inch-pounds. And then for the straps, it's 40 inch-pounds, or you can do it to where it's just about snug and then another turn after that, and that should be good. Anyways, we got the gas tank in, straps are good, we made those connections. So that is gonna finish up this video for this evening, and I hope y'all enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching if you made it all the way through. I always appreciate it. This is Jacob from Fisher Jeep Adventures, and we'll see you next time.